As you walk inside, you can see the spacious living area. This is your spacious modular kitchen area. Master bedroom, which is super spacious. Hello everyone, and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayshree. Today we are at Mahindra Auto LX by the builders, Mahindra Builders, which is located in Electronic City Phase 1 for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail. But before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Ours is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 3.75 acres with 2 towers, 273 units, and the available stories are ground plus 24 floors, and the available variants are 2 and 3 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. This project is just 8 minutes away from the Wipro gate, and it's just 10 minutes away from the Bomasandra and Electronic City metro station, and it is just 15 minutes away from the nice road connectivity. And now let's talk about the amenities. This project has all the modern amenities such as clubhouse, gymnasium, swimming pool, yoga track, yoga lawn, kids play area, kids swimming pool, multi-purpose game court, and many more. So everyone, right now we are in front of 3 BHK sample flat called Mahindra Auto LX by Mahindra Builders, which is located in Electronic City Phase 1. So let's get inside for the sample tour. So yes, as you walk inside, you can see the spacious living area, your sofa area, and right in front of the sofa, you have your television unit with storage space. So this is your luxurious royal living room, and this is your dining room. So again, it is super spacious. So you can see there's ample amount of space around the dining table with 4 seatings. So yes, this is your dining area. So near your dining area, you can find your balcony. So this is your spacious balcony. So you can customize it and decorate it the way you want. Spend your leisure time enjoying the green serene view. So yes, it is super spacious. So this is your balcony. And now it's time to check the kitchen area. So yes, this is your spacious modular kitchen area with a lot of storage units. And this is your utility area where you can put your refrigerator, and opposite to that you have another utility area where you can put your washing machine, and this comes with a storage unit and wash basin as well. So yes, this is your spacious kitchen, and now it's time to check the first bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. So this is your first bedroom, which is very spacious. There is ample amount of space on both the side of the bed, and there is a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight, and a sitting area where you can sit and relax. And here we can see this is your wardrobe, which is very big with the transparent doors. And this is your attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments, window for ventilation, and big mirror, wash basin, and storage spaces. So yes, everything is super spacious. It's designed very well. And now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 3 BHK flat. So this is your common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments, a big window for ventilation, a big semicircle mirror with wash basin and storage space. So let's check the second bedroom in this 3 BHK flat, and also called the kids bedroom. So yes, this way to the kids bedroom. So this is your spacious kids bedroom with bed, and opposite to the bed you can see the big wardrobe. There's a big window for ventilation, for natural sunlight, and this is the study table with the storage spaces. So everything is designed very well. So they have made sure that you have ample amount of space to roam around. And now it's time to check the third bedroom, the master bedroom of this 3 BHK flat. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, the actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and 360-degree virtual project tour. And yes, now it's time to check the master bedroom. So this is your royal luxurious master bedroom, which is super spacious. So there's a lot of space on around the bed, and right opposite to the bed you can see this big wardrobe of yours with transparent doors and big windows for ventilation, and a sitting area where you can sit and relax. So yes, this is your master bedroom. And now it's time to check the attached bathroom. So this is your attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, windows for ventilation, big mirrors, wash basin and storage spaces. So yes, everything is super spacious. So I hope you enjoyed this 3 BHK sample flat tour. If you have any questions about the project, mention it in the comment section below. If you have any feedback for this project, yes, we welcome all constructive feedbacks. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Housey to know about such wonderful videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So hey everyone, this was 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Mahindra Auto LX located in Electronic City Phase 1 by the builder Mahindra.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.